How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rekt videos. Today we have another compilation of funny and embarrassing police moments.
Officer, whereabouts is the closest bank?
It's right round the corner.
Alright, cheers, thank you.
Wait! Wait!
Before we continue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and in return you'll receive 1 month of good luck. This impatient driver tried skipping traffic, police catch him and pull him over, but to make matters worse, he then backs up and hits the cop car. A driver thought he could get away with running a red light, not realizing that police were right behind him. This person road raging hops out of his car while it's still on the road to confront another driver. But before anything went down, an unmarked police car conveniently steps in to escort the driver back to his vehicle. Look at all these drivers that think they don't have to wait in traffic like everyone else, but unfortunately for them, not just one but all of them were caught in the act.
Centre can get that first home happening for about the same as you're paying in rent. What have you got to lose? You're a loan-getting, land-finding, home-building winner. So don't be a renter. Call Home Buyer Centre on 131751 today and own it.
Nights. During July, you could win a private party for you and 77 friends, valued at $10,000. Snap yourself a...
This guy couldn't have picked a worse time to drift his car. You've got to admit this is just really unlucky. This cop surprised these skateboarders when he shows off some awesome skills. Here's another self-entitled driver who gets a dose of karma for trying to cut ahead of traffic.
Don't do it. Ooh.
Watch this driver get caught in the act after speeding recklessly all over the road, unaware that police had witnessed the entire thing. Police received video of this driver who was picking someone up, but once they noticed the stop sign in the middle of the road, they decided to drive over the top of it.
Me and David saw it live. It was loud, dude. What?
The person driving damaged his car after the incident, but instead of getting out of his own vehicle to check out what had been damaged, he then insists that the person he's picking up retrieve the part of the car that fell off after his little stunt.
Let me go get it. Doesn't even get out and look at his car.
That's true. He's bad on Snapchat.
Here, I'll just throw this in the back.
What the?
Okay, it's only $5,000 worth of damage. Let's go.
It was a loud bam.
Oh yeah, and then they dragged it. There's like scrape marks on the concrete. I gotta go put the stop sign back.
This guy might have played a little too much Grand Theft Auto after leading police on a pursuit, except his vehicle of choice was a forklift. If you think that's a lot of cops for chasing someone on a forklift, they even had a police helicopter keeping track of the man as well.
Okay, I'm off the road. Be careful about being downrange.
A driver with road rage was caught on camera after speeding and then trying to cut in front of other drivers, coming seriously close to causing an accident. Luckily, police had seen the whole thing and this road rager got a dose of instant karma. Celebrations for Euro 2020 went bad for this driver after failing to do a burnout and gaining the attention of a nearby cop. Here's another cop catching something, but instead of a bad driver, he was helping somebody catch a fish. This person had to take a breathalyzer test and blew over the legal alcohol limit, but instead of driving a car, she was actually riding a horse.
491, yeah, we've got this female here with this horse. This female's likely going to be arrested, taken up to the hospital. We'll need another crew here to assist with dealing with the horse.
The same as driving a car, you can't ride a horse over the legal limit.
Someone drink driving was arrested by police after running 2 stop signs and throwing rubbish out of their vehicle's window. But not only that, the driver also had a 5-year-old in the back seat.
So the reason for the stop is you just went through 2 stop signs. And you threw some litter out the car. And I can smell alcohol. What time was your last drink? 2 hours ago? What are you trying to show me?
What I'm stopping to.
Pardon?
What I'm stopping to.
I asked you for your driver's license and you show me a picture of J. Cole.
Oh, I'll give you my driver's license, sorry.
Okay, miss, step out the car, I need to speak with you. Why you show me a map?
That's where I was stopping.
Okay, what did I ask you for?
You told me to stop, right?
Okay, I'm investigating now for drink driving. Your driving was terrible. You went through 2 stop signs, you threw garbage out the window, and then I asked you for your driver's license, you show me a picture of Apple Music. I asked you again for your driver's license, you show me a picture of a map. Do you have a driver's license, yes or no?
I have a driver's license.
And where is it?
Look.
What are you trying to show me?
The front,
Okay, you under arrest, you're drunk. You got a kid in the car, for God's sake.
That's it for this video, guys. We also have some cool new merch that you can find down below. Some really cool stuff, so go and check it out. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.